we, nous, we, nous, we, nous. Remember that final consonants are generally not pronounced in French. We speak. Nous parlons. We speak. Nous parlons. We speak. Nous parlons. We speak. Nous parlons. French, français, French, français, French, français, French, français. English, anglais, English, anglais, English, anglais. Italian, italien, Italian, italien, Italian, italien. German, allemand, German, allemand, German, allemand. Spanish, espagnol, Spanish, espagnol, Spanish, espagnol. Portuguese, portugais, Portuguese, portugais, Portuguese, portugais. So let's review everything that you can say now with this new information. Nous parlons, we speak. If you want to say we speak French, nous parlons français. We speak English, nous parlons anglais. We speak German, nous parlons allemand. We speak Spanish, nous parlons espagnol. We speak Portuguese, nous parlons portugais. To go to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. A bientôt!